Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to change listing location on Facebook Marketplace. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Facebook homepage. Now on the left you'll find this marketplace. Click on this, and after that, to find your listing, click on this selling. Now to change location, click on these three dots, and over here you can see here is edit listing. Click on this, and after that just scroll down, and over here you can see here is location. Just click on this, and after that type a location over here. Now I'll type California, and over here you can see here is recommendation of California city. Click on this. After that, to confirm this, just click on this update. So in this simple way, we can change listing location on Facebook Marketplace. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.